Bohol. Nature and wildlife escape in the Philippines. Welcome to Bohol, a tropical paradise where nature creates landscapes straight out of a dream. Famous for the incredible chocolate hills, Bohol offers over 1,000 perfectly shaped hills that turn golden brown during the dry season. But Bohol isn't just about stunning scenery. It's also home to one of the world's smallest primates, the adorable tarsier. From peaceful rivers and white sand beaches to lush countryside adventures, every corner of Bohol feels untouched and magical. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, exploring hidden islands, or simply enjoying the island vibe, Bohol delivers the perfect tropical escape. Best visited from December to May, Bohol is where adventure and nature come together in unforgettable ways. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!